In this tutorial video, I'm going to be going over the things that you can do on your stream page on Google Classroom. So to, of course, go to your stream page, once you have clicked on the class, make sure that this, where it says stream, is clicked on. Then from there, you have the banner. This is called your banner. You can, of course, go to settings and change all this information, the title, class code, and meet link. You can also change the background by clicking select theme. They give you some generic ones, and of course they do have them broken up in categories. And of course, if you just want to change it, you just click on the image and click select class theme. Now back over here, you do have a class code that you can display to students. You just click on this square. And if you need it any bigger, you click on this square again, and there you go. It is at full screen mode. You also will have a meet link. Now, when you immediately create your class, or the class is created for you, that meet link won't be there. It'll say generate meet link. You will click on it. It'll generate a meet link, and then of course students can at any time click on that and join the meet link. Now, if you don't want them to do that, and you want to hide it from being clicked on, you can go to the settings, visible to students, and then of course make it invisible. You can also generate and reset the link. That way, if students memorize it, copy and paste it, save it somewhere else, they try to join, they'll notice that that link has now been disabled. And of course you have created a new one. Now of course I have made it to where it's not visible to students. I just have to click save, and what that will look like is you will see the link, but then you will have an I right to it with a slash through it, and it will say not visible to students. In the upcoming section is any classwork that you post here will be listed right here. And then, of course, the biggest thing about the stream page is posting on the stream page. Tell them what things they may need to bring in class, what articles they may need to read, or a video to watch before they come to class that will help them out. And all you have to do there is click share something with your class. You also have here to the right is reuse a post. If, for example, I have a class who is doing the same thing, I can click reuse post, click on the class that I want to reuse that post, click the post itself. It will say create new copies of all attachments. You can say yes, please do that, and then click reuse. This will come up as kind of a final indicator of, is this the correct post? Is there anything you want to change? If so, change it now, then you can post. Of course, you can also schedule or save draft, but I'm going to go over that when I create a new post. I will discard that because I do not want to share that. So, back to share something with your class. So if this is a new post, I just click on that. I can share it with multiple classes. I can share it with all the classes I want. Let's just say it's just for my literature classes. I can just share it with them and not my language arts. For this one, I'm just going to choose the practice class. I can choose certain students. Okay, and I'll have a list of all your students in that class. And for example, if I just want to choose 4 particular students, I can just choose those 4. Share with your class. This is your directions, the information you want them to have. Please read this document before coming to class. From there, I can add a document from Google Drive, or from File, where I upload it from my computer, or from my desktop. If I click on Google Drive, and I meant to click on the file link, that's okay. All I have to do from here is go to upload, and I can immediately upload from that flash drive or computer. If it's not something recent that I've clicked on, I'll just have to go to my drive, find it, and of course I can search for it, and then pull that up. Let's say this is the document I want my kids to read beforehand. My expectations, I can attach it. It's right there for them. Another thing I can do is share a link. Maybe I have a news article from a website that I want them to read, or I can share a YouTube video that I want them to watch that may be going over my curriculum. Once I have attached all the items I need to attach, and of course you can attach more than one, I go to post. I can immediately post it right then and there. That means the students will see it right after I click post. Or I can schedule it for another date and time. Let's just say I have it for tomorrow, 8 a.m. And of course I can change this. Maybe I'm saying, oh no, my class is at 10 a.m. Then I click schedule. The other thing I can do is I can click save draft. Maybe someone gets my attention, says, hey, I need you out here in the hallway helping me out with something. I can click save draft and it will be there when I come back. For this one, I'm just going to click post, and as you will see, it will immediately pop up. Now, say for example you do have a post later during the grading period that you posted at the beginning of the grading period, but you still want it at the top so kids don't have to scroll all the way down. What you can do to get that item, so I have two items here, two posts, the digital toolbox, and my daily agenda on my stream page. Say I want the daily agenda up at the top. I go over, click on these three circles, and click move to the top. If at any time I notice maybe a grammar error or I want to share a different file or add more files, I can click on edit. And then I can edit those items and then click save. And last, if I want to send a link to the students through email so they can go directly to it, I can also copy that link. I hope this video helps out.